I've made over $50,000 with the TEMU affiliate program. And before you sign up, make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm gonna be telling you about a bunch of secret hidden features that'll enable literally anybody to get a free $300 just for signing up. You don't have to post a video for that. You don't have to add a link anywhere. You just have to sign up and you could get up to a free $300 just for doing so. My friend Cameron was able to make $20,000 in his first couple of months with the TEMU affiliate program just by following the 3 steps I'm gonna be showing you in this video that are very easy and that literally anybody can implement to make as much, if not more money. So as long as you watch to the end of this video without skipping around, you're gonna be getting this 3-step formula for completely free. But before I get into the first step, I wanna show you exactly how I made all of my money on the affiliate program. As you guys can see right here on my affiliate dashboard, I have made almost $50,000 from the program. I have been inside of the TEMU affiliate program for about a year now, so that's about $4,000 every single month for completely free just from TEMU. Before I show you exactly how I made that money, I want to explain really quick how the TEMU affiliate program works, just in case you have any questions. For every single person that you get to download the TEMU app and every single person who reinstalls the TEMU app after 14 days, which I'll explain exactly what that means in a second, you will get a free $5 just for them signing up and 40% commission on their orders within 30 days. So that means that if somebody watches your video and decides to download TEMU using your link, you will be given a free $5 for doing so. And then let's say hypothetically within their first 30 days of having the app, they then place $100 worth of orders. That means that you will get a free $40 on top of that. But something to mention is that if we go to the pending tab here on my history, as you guys can see right here, it says this person's order that has been delivered, and then there is a timer that starts until then I can receive that order commission. Keep in mind, guys, you do not get the 40% commission immediately. You have to wait until that order is delivered, and then a countdown will start, and after 48 hours, you will then receive the commission inside of your affiliate balance. You guys can do withdrawals via PayPal or TEMU credit. I would always recommend withdrawing through PayPal. And the reason why is because TEMU credit is just on-site store balance. And me personally, I don't really need to drop $50,000 on TEMU. If you want to drop 50K on TEMU, just keeping it in credit is fine, I guess, but you can just use PayPal to pay for your TEMU order anyway, so what's the point? Keep in mind, guys, if I click this withdraw button and then I click withdraw to PayPal, it says my PayPal email address right here. You can only change this PayPal account once every 3 months, so make sure you get it right the first time you enter it. For me personally, there isn't really a set schedule that I'll withdraw at. Affiliate commission does not expire at any point, meaning that you could leave this in here for years and let it accumulate to tens of thousands of dollars and then withdraw it in just one huge chunk. But for me, I usually withdraw it when it hits about $2,000, which for me happens about twice a month on average. Now, how I made most of my money from the TEMU affiliate program is going to be this one video right here on my YouTube channel. This video, ever since I uploaded it a little over a year ago, has accumulated almost 600,000 views, made me $14,000 in AdSense, and I would say has made up about 60 to 70% of my referral commissions. Keep in mind, guys, I have a bunch of other videos on my channel as well as other channels that I've made, basically doing the same thing that I did in that video, which I'll explain what I did in that video in a second so you could replicate it and make the same. And I would say those videos account for the other 30 to 40% of affiliate commission that I've gotten. And the reason why I use YouTube specifically to promote TEMU is because you get paid a lot per view. So if you check this out on YouTube right here, I get paid $22 per 1,000 views. For reference, if I uploaded this on TikTok, I would be lucky to get paid 50 cents per 1,000 views. Realistically, it'd be more like 10 cents per 1,000 views. Which is fine if you're getting tens of millions of views, but realistically, 600,000 views is the upper limit for what a TEMU video can get you. Now, how do you get around that? The answer is just to make more videos. And what's great about TEMU is that you can get paid to make as many videos as you want. If you go to the influencer section right here, and we scroll down to where it says product or brand campaign, we can join any of these campaigns. And if I uploaded a video like this one you're watching right now, and this video is at least 3 minutes long on YouTube, so it's a long form video, I would earn $250 just for uploading it. This is why Temu has without a doubt the best e-commerce affiliate program out. Amazon would never do anything like this. And what's crazy about this is that it's completely automated. But let's say you're not a money-making influencer like me, you're instead a product influencer, or you want to be a product influencer. I'll show you exactly how anybody can create videos for Temu in just a little bit. But all you would have to do is just film you saying, hey, I got this product from Temu, this is my review of it, and then here's my code to download Temu, and you would get the exact same reward. For example, this guy right here literally just made this TikTok video of him looking at this B-roll footage of a Temu product, and he's just yapping about it for 30 seconds, and he has the little subtitles right here. Anybody could make a video just like this in like a minute tops. Just with their phone and the TikTok app, you could make this video. And if you sign up for the Temu affiliate program, which if you guys use the link I'm gonna be giving you, you can get a free $300 signing bonus. But before I show you exactly how to get access to this link, let me tell you about some interesting things about the Temu affiliate program. First, sometimes you'll get emails from the Temu staff themselves asking if you want to do a sponsored video. I would always take these because honestly, they're really easy to make and Temu is fine with you making just like average content and they will still pay big bucks for it. But keep in mind, if you guys are using the influencer page or if you're getting a brand promo from them, the videos have to have a minimum duration and also have to get a certain amount of views within a 30-day period. But honestly, 100 views on a short within 30 days and 50 views on a video within 30 days is totally realistic for anybody. I've dropped Temu videos on brand new channels that have gotten 1,000 views in the first like 2 weeks. And I know for a fact, literally any of you guys could do the same. All you have to do again is just do exactly what these people do, which is just get some B-roll of a Temu product, get the TikTok like background remover thing, and then just talk about how great the product is for like 20 seconds. And then at the last 10 seconds, say, if you guys want to get this product, make sure to type in this code into the Temu search bar for a free $300 coupon. But that's actually not the only way you can run a promo. If we check out this affiliate section right here, there is a bunch of different referrals that you can give your audience or your potential or your future audience. For example, you can give them just this $100 coupon bundle with this link. You can also give them a free gift instead. You can just give them a Save Big page, an exclusive deal page, and a 30% off code. So get creative with it. Try out different things. I have a link tree, for example, where I have every single one of these links right here. So if people want a free gift, they can click on the free gift button. If they want a general link, they can click on the general link button. And it just makes it really easy to do. On top of that, guys, make sure to check out the $10,000 ranking race. As you can see, this guy right here who made $10,000 from the Temu affiliate program is getting a free $3,000 bonus. They do those ranking races every 3 days, meaning that you guys can make a ton of money just from that. But you can also make even more money from your own $3,000 ranking race. These go about every week, and if you get enough downloads for it, which I think it's about 500 in the week time frame, then you will get a free $300 bonus. Now, when you guys go to the description of this video, there's gonna be a Temu link in the description box as well as in the comment section. If you guys enter that link into your web browser of choice or on your phone, it's gonna say earn commission with the Temu affiliate and influencer. Go ahead and click on Get Now on the free $2 in active cash and also sign up using your Google account or an email or whatever. Using your Google or email account or whatever you want to do. If you're on mobile only, you can do it on mobile, but to access your affiliate stats, just type in affiliate in the search bar. It'll pull up a page that looks similar to this one that I'm showing you. Also, while you guys are signing up with that link and you have a YouTube or TikTok or Instagram account that has at least 100 followers, make sure to put in that link because when you do that, that's how you get the free $300 bonus that I was talking about at the start of this video. And that is a free $300 bonus that is going straight into your PayPal account. You don't have to get any invites for that bonus, you just have to sign up for it. But if you want to get a couple of free easy invites, I would recommend also checking out my Facebook group, which is going to be in the description as well. It is a Temu referral group. It's pretty exclusive, and I require every single person to join to sign up to Temu with using my link, just so I can make sure that they're not a bot. And if you don't sign up to Temu using that link, your application will be rejected. So don't even bother applying if you're not going to install Temu. But remember when I talked about the uninstalled after 14 days users? If a user were to uninstall Temu, wait 14 days, and then reinstall Temu, the affiliate who gets them to sign up will also get another free $5 download reward. you can just use an Android phone emulator like BlueStacks and then just create another TEMU account and then use that to get the bonus and then be eligible for the group. Now, if you guys want to get more affiliate marketing and TEMU golden tidbits, as well as coupon codes and a bunch of other easy money-making methods, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. Only about 2% of people who actually watch my videos are subscribed. So if you could subscribe and support this kind of content, because I dropped a lot of game in this video for you guys for completely free. People would normally put this kind of information behind $100 courses or $300 TEMU methods. I don't sell courses, and if you want to help support me giving out all the game that I know for free, subscribing with notifications turned on is the best way to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.